If you have ever wanted to watch Netflix but did not want to pay, or if you're looking for a simple way to enjoy movies and series for free or maybe just cheaper, you're probably in the right place. In this video, I will show you easy, safe, and legal ways to watch Netflix for free, step by step. Anyone can do it. Let's start. Here, the first thing you're gonna need to do is you're going to open any browser. You're going to go to the search bar and type in T-Mobile Netflix. Here, you're going to look for this exact link here. Now, the trick is this free subscription is not available in all countries. That's why you're going to go here and you're going to select United States. Now, in order to get this free subscription, you're gonna click on how do I activate Netflix, and you're going to follow all the steps. And this is how you can watch Netflix for free. This is all you need to do. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.